Before we get started with example 1, please make sure that you have read the stuff that's above. So go through that, read it, and then you can go ahead and get started with example 1. As that explains some of the stuff that we're going to be doing within this day of notes. In example 1, it says Christy invests $300 in an account with a 6% interest rate, making no other deposits or withdrawals. What will Christy's account balance be after 20 years if the interest is compounded monthly? Round your answer to the nearest cent. Since we're compounding it monthly, we have a compound interest formula, which means we're looking to use the formula A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to the N times T. And that's explained in that box above. Then what we're going to do is list down what everything is. So if we have Christy's investing $300, that investment, that's your letter P. So we know that P is equal to 300. In an account with a 6% interest rate, rate is R, and it has to be as a decimal. So 6% as a decimal is 0.06. Making no other deposits or withdrawals, what will Christy's account balance be? The account balance is A, which means A is what we are trying to solve for, is what we don't know. After 20 years, so T, our time, is 20. If it's compounded monthly. Compounding it monthly, your compounding part of it is how many times per year. So if it's monthly, there's 12 months in a year, so our N would be 12. Then what we're going to do is plug everything into our formula. So we get A, which is what we don't know, equal to 300 times 1 plus R is 0.06 divided by N, which is 12, raised to the 12 times 20. And then you just want to evaluate this. So you can plug it all in at once if you're very careful with parentheses, or you can evaluate little parts at a time, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and divide 0.06 by 12, and that gives me 300 times 1 plus 0.005. And I'm also going to multiply 12 by 20, and 12 by 20 is 240. Then this you can plug into your calculator. Rounding it to the nearest cent, you should get $993.06. I want you to try to do the same thing in the try this right below it. So you can pause it now and unpause it when you're ready to check your answer. If you did the try this correctly, you should have ended up with $5,224.06. If you didn't, please let me know and I'll come around and help you.